Frontier Equipment has a great partnership with Riata Ranch Company, which has been manufacturing precision arena tools for 10 years. Riata Ranch has designed and engineered equestrian tools to provide you with the best footing possible. The Frontier Riata Arena Rakes are designed to repair and maintain consistent precision footing in your arena. With the 3-point or pull type arena rakes, you will be able to prepare the finest conditions in your equestrian arena and help increase the level of safety and confidence for both horse and rider. This video will contain the proper setup and operation of our arena rakes. If at any time you have any questions, you can refer to the owner's manual supplied with each Frontier Riata rake. If you have further questions, please do not hesitate to contact Frontier Equipment or your local John Deere dealership. Hi, I'm John Powell with Riata Ranch Company. I'm here to introduce the 11 Series 3-point tool. We're going to show you the proper setup and operation of this product. We have a basic 3-step process for setting up the 11 Series arena rake. The first point in the proper setup is the connection from the tractor to the tool. All of our 11 Series arena rakes have a 3-point connection. They are category 1, 2, and I-match compatible. In order to set the rake up properly, make sure that your tractor and rake are on level ground. Attach all 3-point connections. Then you will want to set the lower link arms to equal and proper length. Be sure to have the lower link arms in float position. This is important in the performance of your Frontier Riata rake and will enable the rake to work independently of the tractor, ensuring high quality footing. The next step in your 3-point connection is to make sure the mast is vertically plumb. You can do this by adjusting your top link. We suggest using a magnetic leveler to level the mast, as we have done here. Remember that tractor size matters when using your Frontier Riata rake. We recommend a 30 to 75 horsepower tractor for our 1108 model and a 35 to 85 horsepower tractor for our 1110 model. Be sure to have at least 1 foot of rake outside of your tractor tire width on each side. This will ensure proper clearing of tire compaction as you turn. We are now ready for step 2, adjusting the leveling comb. The inside leveling comb allows material to be evenly distributed throughout your arena. The leveling comb will take material from high spots and move it to the low spots, ensuring a level riding surface. The leveling comb has a fixed and a float position depending upon your preference of operation. It also has an optional hydraulic cylinder, so you can control the leveling comb from the cab of your tractor. The leveling comb must be in lock position when using the optional hydraulic cylinder. Another important advantage of using the hydraulic cylinder is that you can precisely move up to 1 yard of material anywhere in your arena. You can distribute material faster when creating a new arena, or you can pull additional material into an existing arena. And if you use your arena to host performance sports like barrel racing, cutting, or reining, the hydraulic cylinder helps to relocate material so that your footing stays level after each event. We are now ready for step 3, the Tine Bar Set-up. The first contact our tool has with the footing is the tine bar. The tine bar is held up by this 4-bar linkage, which enables the tine bar to stay level at your desired depth. You can adjust the depth of your tines with the ratchet jack to ensure the proper footing for your riding style. Be sure to properly grease your ratchet jack through the grease fitting, especially when in storage for an extended period of time. The tines are easy to install and remove, and in an industry that designs low-grade tines which wear out quickly, we design longer-wearing tines. You will not find a longer wear in the industry, and this means a lower cost of operation for you. Some mesh tines can leave an uneven footing and create divots, but Frontier Riata tines provide consistent depth and level the base of your arena each time. Once the 3-point connection is set, the mast is vertically plumb, and the leveling comb is in the proper position, set the depth of the tine bar according to your footing needs and drive the tractor forward several yards. Stop the tractor, set your brake, and exit to ensure the mast is still vertically plumb. Re-level the mast if needed. Now your Frontier Riata rake is set up and ready to groom. Now we're going to talk about the additional features and options of the Frontier Riata rake that set it apart from any other arena tool. Like the wheels on a car, the gauge wheels are crucial for overall performance. They provide and ensure a smooth and level base. Normally, they don't bear any weight. They engage only when there is inconsistent footing depth. This is for achieving optimal leveling for the surface and your base. Be sure to maintain proper air pressure in the tires and grease in the wheels at all times. Next is the compaction plate. It introduces the right amount of compaction in the aerated and level footing. This produces the proper amount of cushion and stability for your horse. And finally, the finishing comb allows you to put the finishing touches on your arena. It provides your arena with a clean push broom finish. Other arena owners will be envious with the look and feel of your newly groomed facility. For your convenience, here are 3 available accessories for the 11 Series Frontier Riata Rake. An optional accessory for our 11 Series rake is our Scarifier ripper kit. When ripping your arena, be sure to have the tine bar raised. Our 11 Series rake has ripper tabs that have 2 separate holes. One hole can be used for both the stowaway position and for working at a sharper angle to cut through tougher compaction. The other hole is used for regular compaction. The Scarifier ripper shank has 3 holes. The first hole is for the stowaway position only. The second hole is recommended for ripping at regular depth. The third hole is for those who want a deeper depth. We recommend using the second hole first and using a 1/3 progression pattern. Repeat in the third hole if more depth is needed. With the fence blade option, you can now get rid of the bowl effect that is created when riding. The fence blade brings dirt that has built up around the arena back into the arena to be groomed and leveled out. It's simple to set up and operate, and it has a stowaway position when not in use. The hydraulic cylinder allows you to adjust the height of the leveling comb from the convenience of your tractor seat. Also, the hydraulic controls give you precise movement of up to 1 yard of material anywhere in your arena. Now that you have the proper information for the setup and operation of your Frontier Riata rake, you can enjoy riding on the best footing you have ever had and can feel confident in the safety of your horse. We like to say, get ready, get rugged, get Riata. And remember, good footing is no accident.